Ever wonder how companies make sure the food you buy is absolutely flawless? Let's get into it. They actually use elite in-house sensory squads to do what's called an organoleptic assessment.
That's just a fancy way of saying they test products using sight, smell, and taste before shipping.
But here's the catch, right? Human senses are super variable. So what happens when they fail? Turns out a lot of employees have hidden blind spots like taste blindness or color vision issues.
Take color blindness. It affects around 8% of men, but barely touches women. Crazy, right?
And then there's dysosmia. It's this wild sensory distortion people are getting after recovering from COVID-19.
It literally warps how things smell. Some folks even say fresh meat smells exactly like petrol.
Or imagine sipping some Prosecco and smelling rotting apples. That completely wrecks quality control.
So how do these companies actually fix this massive biological vulnerability on the production line?
Well, they put their teams through a really intense 9-step sensory calibration gauntlet.
First up, testing their baseline ability to recognize specific tastes in water, colors, and weird odors.
Then, these evaluators have to prove they can scale, rank, and spot incredibly subtle product differences. They even need to catch the tiniest little shifts in the sheer intensity of a single flavor.
All these high-stakes tests happen right on site for their food tech and marketing teams.
They pull them into small, super-focused groups of about 8 to 12 people at a time. Depending on the group vibe, this whole intensive sensory boot camp takes 2 to 3 hours.
Afterward, a detailed summary report drops, revealing the exact sensory superpowers or weaknesses of everyone there.
It's brilliant. It totally weeds out biological bias, so only the absolute best palates make the calls. Since our bodies change over time, experts actually recommend running these tests every single year.
The end goal here, building an elite squad with the sharpest possible senses for evaluating products.
Now, if you have lower sensitivity, you aren't fired, but your opinion just isn't decisive anymore. This whole process guarantees perfection, which directly translates to the amazing quality you taste at home. So, let's be honest. Do you think your senses could pass this ultimate test today?